What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an experiment making a jet engine. Okay, here we have 70% isopropyl alcohol, and here we have 91% isopropyl alcohol. You can use either one, and you can use either a clear plastic jug or what I have here, like a 2.5, 3 gallon jug. And just make sure it's sturdy, or you can use a glass jug. And basically what we're going to be doing is putting some of the 75% alcohol into the jug. It's best to use probably not too much, probably maybe a 1/4 of an inch deep,
Okay, guys,
and that should give you the best result.
Shake it up. Make sure you get the oxygen mixed in with the alcohol. I just put some lighter fluid on a piece of cardboard. Light it on fire. And there you go. So if you like this video, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the screen. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And thumbs up. Appreciate it.
Sides, and see if I can get a better side. Mix it around inside. Mix as best as you can. And then we set it down, let some of the fumes get in there. Then we take our lighter. Holy crap. And that's how you do it. Give me a thumbs up at the bottom of the video. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And appreciate it.